Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Neo and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find about device. And then let's scroll down because we have to localize the build number. So let's first of all check the version maybe. And as you can see, the build number is at the top. So all we have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until we'll see that we are in the developer mode. After that, we can enter additional settings, which are right above the About device, and scroll down to find developer options. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can enter the background check, we can simulate color space, we can change the animator, duration scale, show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the Bluetooth and overall with the networking, because as you can see, we've got the USB and Wi-Fi options. So a lot of settings. If you want to turn on the option, just tap on the switcher. It basically works just like in the regular settings and it will be immediately applied. You can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by going to the top of the list and tapping on the switcher. Most of the options will be inactive and actually hidden, and after getting back to, for example, about settings and entering additional settings, you will see that the developer options will disappear from this list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.